guys, it's me Shitendra over here, the founder of company Binashree. We are a company which has been established in the year 2017 March, and we are a manufacturer of plastic components. Basically, we people are the specialized manufacturer in the technological vacuum casting, which is being used for making batch production for all that equipments, plastic equipments, which is being involved in from aerospace to automobile, from jewelry to mechanical components, which is being used for engineering purpose. Our main focus is to provide a world-class quality product at a very good pricing. We want not only pricing, but also our customers should be happy with the quality of product which we are providing. When I have started this company, I thought it's any other technology which is being there in India, but there's not much of the companies who are involved in this technology. But as time goes, we have spent more time in this technology. I have surveyed the market personally, traveling across India. I got to know that China is one of the best companies or countries where this kind of technology is being used. Apart from that, I have also observed that in India only one or two companies are able to at least trying to reach to that level, but still after 18 years of existence they are not. Binashree has been focused since the day one that we will be providing a world-class product to our Indian clients or maybe clients from the abroad, so that people from across the globe should look at India as a manufacturing hub. My main vision to start this company is to make Binashree as one of the not only India's but apart from that world's best company in terms of vacuum casting, injection molding and 3D printing. Look, what we have learned from our business and our experience from past 1.5 years is that entrepreneurship is a journey. What we felt, it is not so easy. People can tell you can open a shop and you can run it. So if you're running a business with all your heart and soul, with a vision, then we can call it as an entrepreneurship. But when we're running a shop just to make our ends meet, that is we called as trading. You may purchase anything in $100 and you can sell it at 120, so you can make $20 out of it. But if you have a vision to make a company in a global level or anything which can be people may laugh at your goals and dreams, that is a time you can call as yourself entrepreneur. My message to all young MBAs and future entrepreneurs is that have a vision, have a dream, keep India as a center of your vision and dream and start walking towards it. I'm telling you buddy, everybody in your, maybe you might be a class of 80, 90 or 100 students. In your batch maybe 200 students would be there. But think about it 10 years down the line or 20 years down the line when you would be having family, kids, or maybe when you are at the middle age, maybe your 40s or 50s. When you should see back in your life, even though if you're in job or even though if you're running a business, maybe it's a family business or traditional business or your own startup, you should be feeling happy that you have done something which has impacted many other people. Earning money, anyone can do that. You can work anywhere because you have an educational qualification which can help you to get any job which you want, and you people are from very good college, so definitely you can get a job above 10 plus lakhs and one package. So don't see the monetary thing, because any day you can get the job, but just imagine if you're creating something which can going to help our society near to us, how it would be. Give a thought about it. It's not only about money, it's more than that. I started this business to earn money, but slowly I understood no, why China has to be better than us in terms of manufacturing. I have that day decided that no, I will work towards it. Maybe we are a very small company, but yes, down the line in 5 to 10 years, you will definitely see us in the top 2% companies who are into best and the best of the product we are manufacturing here in India.